One of the biggest problems we have is people Google a lot. Our clients will get on the internet and they'll look things up and try to find answers to their problems, which is understandable. Many people have not dealt with the legal system or had an attorney before until they get in a divorce. So this is the first time that they're dealing with, professionals, attorneys, and this issue. So, they're scared, they're looking for answers, they go on the internet and they try to find answers to the problems, and usually those answers are not correct and they can lead them down the wrong direction, which makes it harder for us to then navigate their case and help them and create their expectations.